detected the vehicle has started. Start to record video.
Alright folks, this is going to be a test of this dash cam at nighttime. It's pitch black out. Just have the lights of the streets and businesses and whatnot and my headlights. I'm going to see how this thing performs, and I'll go ahead and post it up on YouTube. This here will be a 3-minute clip because that's what I have it set to. I have it set to do 3-minute loops. So we'll just get a little bit of driving here, and I'm talking so you can hear the audio that it picks up. I was watching the other fella on YouTube, freaking reviews, and he just tested 4 different dash cams. Actually, the one he disliked the most, I like the most. I don't like those suction cups that fall off. I would have actually preferred the one with the 2-sided tape that is permanent. That's how this one is, and there's no problem doing anything with it. Works great. You can rotate it around. But anyways, you can see what kind of a view it gives, you know, what kind of an angle, whatnot. And yeah, you can see for yourself. This here's like a $30 dash cam.